Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest bags from Louis Vuitton. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, happy to share these upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton. I have shared some of these previously with teasers, but now we do have the prices, SKU, launch date, and better photos. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs. Thank you to Matt D, Foxy LV, Aloha Lux Mama, LV Lover 6 for sharing these. Happy shopping guys! So let us start first with the new MACASSAR collection. So the launch date of this would be June 29th. First we have the Christopher MM. Price is $3,300. So it is a monogram canvas with treated leather. Again guys, please take note that the treated leather would resemble or would look like a vachetta, which I really love. Then we have a Discovery Backpack PM. Price is $2,640 USD. So this one again, monogram canvas, treated leather, and again multiple pockets with treated leather to look like vachetta. Next, we have this very beautiful Keepall 25 OMG, and the price is very affordable at $2,170 USD. So again, same features, monogram canvas. I love the black leather top handle and the fake vachetta. Then we have Keepall 55. Price is $2,590 USD. So this one comes with the canvas guitar strap and it comes with a luggage tag as well. Next, we have the Trio Messenger. Price is $2,500 USD. So again, same feature, but this time super gorgeous because it comes with 3 bags. Have the bigger one, the pouch, and it has a keyclay, and it also comes with the canvas strap. Then OMG, so I've been calling this the soft papillon bag. So now we have the official name. This is the soft Polochon bag. Price is $2,900 USD. So again, monogram canvas with treated leather, top handle, luggage tag, and shoulder strap. So gorgeous. And then we have Keepall 45. Price is $2,440 USD. So again, same features with the Keepall 50 that we have discussed earlier. Next collection, let us discuss the Monogram Taurillon collections. Again, I have discussed this previously, but now we have better photos and prices. So the very first one, we have the Christopher Backpack. Price is $5,200 USD. So again, monogram upfront leather with matte black hardware. Launching June 29 this year. So it also comes in this very beautiful gray color. So price is €3,400. Same features, and I'm seeing that it comes with silver hardware, monogram upfront leather with multi-pocket details. And then we have the Monseries backpack. Price is $4,500 USD. So again, it features the monogram upfront leather in this very beautiful black colorway. It also comes with the black or matte black hardware. Then these guys, we do not have the prices and SKU, but just to show you, we have this very beautiful Keepall 25. So comes in this blue color and comes in this gray color. Again, launching same date as well. Next, we have this very beautiful soft trunk. Unfortunately, guys, we do not have the price in SKU, but this one features the very beautiful monogram front leather. It has a matte black hardware as well, and just look at this very beautiful chain and chain shoulder strap as well. Then we have the weekend tote. So this is like the male version of the on the go. So as we could see, it comes with this very beautiful front leather, comes with top handle, and it comes with a shoulder strap as well. What do you think? Which is better, guys, in your opinion? Please comment down below. Next, guys, let us again discuss the bags of Fall Winter 2023 runway collection. So the very first one, we have the Maxi Noe Sling. Price is 4,500. So this is made of epi leather. It has a canvas strap and luggage tag as well. So launching July 13, 2023. Then we have the Moncerise Messenger. So price is 3,750 USD. This is a new bag of LV. So as you're going to see, it's a top handle bag. It comes with magnetic closure with canvas strap as well. Then OMG, guys, so we have the Alma GM. Super love this one. Unfortunately, we do not have the price yet, but we have the SKU here. So it's made of epi leather. So it has a canvas strap, it has D-rings on the side, and it comes with a luggage tag as well. Then still on the men's Fall Winter 2023 collection, OMG, so we had the Keepall 50 in the monogram nebula print. So price is 4,550. So this is a monogram canvas with metallic monogram nebula effect, launching July 13. This one, so beautiful. We have the mini soft trunk monogram nebula. Price is 4,550 USD. So again, same features. We have silver hardware and it has a black chain shoulder strap. Then we have the Keepall 35 monogram nebula. Price is 3,700. So again, it features monogram canvas with a degradé metallic monogram nebula effect, launching on July 13th, same day as well. Then this is also my favorite on this collection, of course. We have the Keepall 25 in the monogram nebula effect. Price only, guys, at 3,350 before tax. So it has a detachable shoulder strap and it comes a luggage tag as well. Now let us check out the bag charms on the same collection of men's Fall Winter 2023. Again, launching July 13th. First, we have the soft trunk bag charm. So unfortunately, we do not have a price yet. So it is made of front leather with silver hardware. Then we have the trainer bag charm. So unfortunately, no price as of the moment. It features silver hardware with red shoelaces, launching July 13. Then we have the puffy silver Keepall bag charm. So this one, the price is 605 USD. So again, it's made of silver hardware and launching July 13 this year. Then we have the love letter bag charm. Price is 880 USD. So it features silver hardware. And this comes with the vachetta. It also comes with a small pen and paper as well. How cute! Then we have the patchwork eye bag charm. Price is 650 USD. So this is a canvas with the eye patchwork detail, launching same date of July 13th. And this is the back. So monogram green canvas and it says fantastic imagination. Then guys, this is from the latest runway collection of Pharrell. So from the men's spring summer 2024, I would just like to share the SLGs from this collection. So first we have the pocket organizer. So kindly take note that currently we do not have the prices in SKU. So just take a screenshot and add it to your wish list. And once I have more prices and SKUs, I would be sharing it to you guys as well. So next we have this very beautiful card holder again. So the general print of these SLGs are the May print. And then we have the compact wallet. So again, in this very beautiful red the May canvas print. Then we have the long wallet, and it features this very beautiful yellow the May Evin canvas from the spring summer 2024. Which one is your favorite so far, guys? Kindly comment down below. This one, guys, super cute. So we have the Pochette Voyage. So again, it has the blue the May canvas print, and it has the vachetta trims. So we are going to see vachetta on top. We are going to see vachetta on the sides. Then we have the coin pouch bag charm in this very beautiful yellow the May canvas print. So it features gold hardware, gold zipper. And then we have like a steamer backpack. So this one, I'm not really sure if this is a bag charm or not, but so it is a backpack style and the strap is fully detachable. So yellow the May canvas with vachetta leather trims. So this one, I'm not really sure as well if this is a Nano Speedy or the Speedy 20. So again, it features the May print canvas with vachetta leather trim. But I think these are the Speedy 20 because those are the bags that I've seen on the runway. Then we have the steamer wearable wallet or a bum bag. So again, no price yet. So it features the green the May canvas, and it comes with the vachetta leather trims with gold hardware. Then we have the diamond crossbody. So I believe this one comes in different colors, but this one comes in the blue the May canvas with the vachetta trims, and we are seeing a detachable and adjustable vachetta crossbody strap. Then we have a top handle bag in this yellow the May canvas colorway with a vachetta top handle. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the very beautiful bags that we have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Please do comment down below. Again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!